So this is a quick leak detection that we're walking up on. We're going to take you through the whole entire leak detection, check it out and see how we got it done.
So this is an old school pool that had a raised wall. We noticed we had a lot of two-part epoxy, or we call it bubble gum, all around the pool. We noticed that we have a plugged off line in the spa, which we're going to follow up on. We also know, again, this is all just walking up on this pool, seeing structural cracks on the raised wall, which will alert us to take a look around and see what we got. Here we have a capped off overfill, kind of like a homemade overfill that's buttered with epoxy. And then here you go. Here's where you could see that fix that they did. This is what happens when you use two-part epoxy to fix a crack. This is what it's going to look like. So we're going to start this leak like we always do. We're going to listen to everything and listen to what we see, which is that structural crack of which we hear leaking. Then we're going to listen. We see a structural crack coming down through this wall. We're going to drop and drag over the main drain. And again, systematically, we're going to be looking and listening around that return, listening around all light niches and conduits. We're going to listen to spa drain, spa light, spa jets, and everything else. So next thing we're going to do, as we taught in our leak detection training program, is the static testing method, meaning we have 5 jets, plug 4, put one small one, and see if we have a static leak by checking to see if it's pulling dye. Here's where we're showing you where it was leaking again, where it cracked through the epoxy.
So that's how we used our listening devices. That's how we did some static testing. That's how we look around. We saw previous repairs, found the leak. Check out all our stuff on LeakTronics.com and always check out our YouTube page.